Hello, my friend. I hope you're all doing great. Happy holidays. Today we're gonna do this gorgeous piece of DIY hanging picture or like a wreath. It's a very easy idea. I'm using this sign from Dollar Tree, and it's a full one. I wanted to use the back of it to make the decoration, so no need to buy a new one. It's like I'm using it for the 2 seasons. Just to flip it down and you have it for the other season. Just get the paint and color it with white. I'm using this paint from Walmart. It was 50 cents, I think, at the time I buy it, or sometimes it's 98 cents. So it's less than the one at Dollar Tree now for 125. Just color it all and let it dry. You can give it 2 coats. And then I have this picture. I printed out. I colored it with black. I already did another DIY using printed papers like this, and I did the decoration for the glass jar, the mason jars. So it's so easy to do. And then after I colored it with a coloring pen, I'm sorry, I cut it out with a scissor. I made the star with gold color, and then I'm securing it with hot glue. It's so easy DIY. Just glue it like that. I didn't need to trace the middle of the picture because it was the white paper and the background already white, so I left it like it is. Now I cut a piece from the green garland from Dollar Tree, and just to get I got a piece with the same size as the frame, and then I make it as a circle wreath to cover the whole place. It will make it look like a wreath with the picture of the nativity. It's a great idea, easy to make, doesn't take long time after the paint dries. Please, if you like my idea, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video, and watch my other videos, and leave me a comment. Let me know where are you from, and if you like my ideas, and if you need some particular ideas or advices, or ask me to do something DIYs for you. I'm glad to do it, of course. Hot glue it everywhere, and now we need to decorate this circle wreath. So I'm going to look around for the flowers. I got it from Dollar Tree, and I got some maybe from Walmart for 98 cents. So I think it's the best to buy it from Walmart if it's 98 cents, and instead of getting it now from Dollar Tree for 125 cents. This joy sign or belief sign, it was at Dollar Tree, so I thought it's going to be much great to use the word believe. And then I cut the flowers, and I will cut them out so I can put them one by one, to make it easier to glue it, and to make the looks better than it when it's all attached together. So I will just use a scissor and trim them out and glue it one by one. And I will take the berries or the hollies, and I will put them also with the decoration to make it look better. Again, I'm saying that if you want it to be on the sheep, like it didn't cost me like total of $5 if I'm reusing the sign, and I already had the garland on the house, and I had the leaf and the flowers, so it was a reuse and recycle of my materials. But if you're going to buy it one by one, it will be like around $5 to $6 maximum. It's so easy to do, but it really looks beautiful, and you will love it if you did it. Again, tell me your ideas, and tell me how do you think about this idea. And if you watched my other videos, I have a video for ideas for doing wreaths from Dollar Tree for less than $10. Make sure to check it out, it's really good ideas. And also I have recycle ideas for Christmas, really easy and amazing, and it doesn't cost like $1 or $2. So please watch it out. I have great ideas, I think, that will be helpful and works well with the decoration for Christmas and for the other seasons. So we will go one by one for them. I really love Christmas, so I love to create a lot of ideas and make more beautiful decoration on a budget for my house. So I wanted to share it with you to make sure that everyone could use the ideas to make beautiful decoration on a budget that doesn't cost him or cost her too much money, and at the end you have a beautiful piece in your house that you're gonna be happy with it, and you didn't cost yourself a lot of money and break the bank. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. I also have a TikTok page and a Facebook page, so if you be kindly see the description box, I will put the links below. If you kindly like and follow the pages, I will be glad and happy. And thank you so much for being with me and watching me. I hope you liked the idea, and happy holidays and Merry Christmas, Merry early Christmas. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye bye.